So let's talk about a price analysis and prediction for Shiba Inu. I apologize for how I sound. I think I have a slight head cold. So this is Austin on a head cold, which is really fun coming into Christmas. But hey, it is what it is, and so we're gonna move through. So from a pricing standpoint, with Shiba Inu right here, right now, we're looking good. We're moving up. And I want to talk about the overall market conditions before we kind of move into Shiba Inu itself. So you can see right here that we are at 2.5 trillion, up 4.1, which is looking really good. And remember, I always tell you guys, you always need to kind of zoom out and not just look at Shiba Inu when you're looking at, kind of the overall market conditions and why SHIB is moving up, or frankly why it's moving down. You need to be aware of the overall market. And so you have Bitcoin that is put 50,000 from a price point in its rearview mirror and moving on pretty nicely. Ethereum is still struggling to kind of get away from that $4,000 mark. Both the 50,000 and the $4,000 mark were pretty big deals as far as thresholds to cross and continue to keep moving away from. So keep that in mind. Bitcoin is definitely outperforming at 5% and 3.5% respectively. So these are relevant to Shiba Inu and kind of what is going on with it in the overall market conditions. And you can also kind of look down and see that there is definitely retail money, that's you and I, by the way, retail money coming back into the overall market. You've got Terra up 5, Polkadot up 6, etc. And you've got Shiba Inu itself up 5%. And if you go in here, we're now at that 3869 level, looking pretty good there. Our 24-hour range, you can see we did peak up to 3989, almost at that 4 range. That 4 range is our resistance level. If we can break through it with enough momentum to keep moving forward through it, then we should be looking pretty good from that standpoint. Okay, but I'm perfectly happy with where we're at right now, being up almost 6% and with some good volume. Like right here, 24-hour trading volume, it's looking pretty nicely there. 2 billion plus in 24-hour trading volume, which is a lot of volume, by the way. Market cap 21 billion, and again, we're ranked number 13, so we're right there. In fact, you know what? I need to look at that. I want to see how closely we are to Dogecoin. So yeah, right here. See, we're about 3 billion and change, about 3.6. Yeah, 3.6, right behind Dogecoin. If we can continue to get a nice run up, but you can see Dogecoin is actually tracking with us, right? So it's at 5% in the last 24 hours. But I fully expect to see Shiba Inu to continue to roll along pretty nicely, 5-6% a day, give or take, because it's basically just kind of bouncing along with the overall market. The overall market's about 4.5-5%, so you can reasonably expect Shiba Inu to be up, maybe 5 to 8% on a given day. Usually Shiba Inu will outperform a little bit the overall kind of market conditions, and because you have a little bit more retail money flowing into Shiba Inu, being at the price point that it is, right? A sub penny, with penny with some zeros behind it, so to speak. Usually you tend to see retail investors coming back in to Shiba Inu faster than, say, some of the other coins and tokens in the top 20 or so, right? It's just a very widely held token across the world with the top 10 exchanges and all that's going on with it. Okay, so price point looks good. As far as prediction looking towards the end of the year, I think we'll definitely get back into the 4s and possibly get back past into the 5s for the end of the year. And if we get some significant bull run activity in the overall market conditions, then I think we will definitely continue to run maybe into the 5s and 6s. Okay, I'm not really expecting anything beyond that. I would love to be wrong on that, but that's kind of what I see right now. It just feels like we got a nice little beginning of a bull run moving into the end of the year, and then I fully expect it to really kick in January, because when that's when people start looking at finances and looking at making investments, New Year's resolutions, and all that kind of stuff. So that's what I got for you. Okay, so take it easy, have a good one, and go make some money. I'll see you later.